what is up, Crockxen clan members, Elysian League fans, and others who will stumble upon this video. I'm SoresanCrockxen, and today we're here with week 9. I know the video is out a little late, but we had some issues, or well, I kind of had some issues, because I wasn't able to get the battle during the weekend, and then yesterday it was just a mess, and I wasn't able to get my team even ready. But today I'm here against the FC Bagonlonas. My boy Joey, this is the big match. This is the two best players in the league. I mean, in general for us, you know, we are the best of the league. He did not bring Entei, which I'm so glad he didn't, because I hate Entei. And we'll see how this goes. Well, we shall see what we can do. Clearly, Hoopa Unbound is always a threat. Lantern, I knew he was bringing Lantern, so I did not bring Raikou, especially. He had Lantern, Escadrille, Mammo. There was no reason to bring Raikou at all. There's just no way. Alright, so let's see how we can do this. That's Scarf Medicham. I know it's a Scarf Medicham because he always brings Scarf Medicham. But I think I'm gonna lead off. I don't want to lead straight off with Darmanitan. I have to let you guys know most of my monitors are physically defensive except for Cradley, who's Spadef. So I have physically defensive Cophagus, Will-O-Wisp, and Spin Blocker. Registeel, Steel Girl, sets up Stealth Rocks and also handles the Florges. I know I'm physically defensive, but I also put in some special defense. I can basically wall that Florges if I have to. I have actually Spadef, Tyranitar with just full movesets. I did not give him a Assault Vest because I needed the leftovers, because Tyranitar has no other way to recover HP regardless. So, and he doesn't have the most Spadef, but the stand helps me with physical defense at least. Physical defensive Wheezing in there to he was supposed to he's basically there for the Amoonguss. You know, standard Darmanitan, of course, and then my Spadef Cradley, who's supposed to deal with the Lantern, and also his Manaphy, but he didn't bring Manaphy either. But I think I'm gonna lead off with I think I'm gonna do. I don't want to do Steal Your Girl. I think I'm gonna go off with Cophagus. I think I'll lead off with Cophagus, as he starts off with Amoonguss. I do not want him to put anything else to sleep. If anything, might as well just leave him in there. Actually, I want to go for Protect first turn just to see what he wants to do. Toxic. Okay, well then I can go into Wheezing. I don't know. He's probably gonna go for Toxic again. I don't think he's gonna. Yeah, okay, so we're good. I think I'm gonna go for the. I'm not gonna go. I don't want to go for Flamethrower just yet. I want to go for Will-O-Wisp, just so I can get a burn on something. I don't care what it is, even if it is Amoonguss. That is perfect. I'm gonna burn a turn to sleep here. There's nothing that he can do to me. As he goes out to Excadrill. He's probably going to set up his Stealth Rocks here. And I have no way to stop that. So I'm just going to stay in and go for Flamethrower again. Burn another turn to sleep, obviously. He can't really do too much to me because, like I said, I'm physically defensive. Oh crap, he has Mold Breaker. I forgot about that. I didn't even read that. Crap! Okay, well, I'm gonna go out to Cophagus. I burned 2 turns of sleep in there, so that should be good for now. I'm gonna go straight for the Shadow Ball. Just because I don't know. No, I'm not gonna go for the burn. I'm going straight for the Shadow Ball. As he goes out to Florges. So this is perfect to go out to Steal Your Girl. That crit obviously is not good at all, but it's something. So we'll go out to Steal Your Girl. As he goes for the Wish, set up my rocks. Or do I want to go for Thunder Wave? I want to go set up my rocks first. Yeah, I think that would be more beneficial in the long run. So he goes out to the Excadrill. I'm gonna go for Iron Head. He's probably gonna set up his, he's gonna probably go for Rapid Spin. Or he can go straight for the Earthquake. That's also a thing. Yeah, he's defensive, Excadrill. So I'm gonna go back out to Cofagrigus, predicting the Rapid Spin. Or he could just not go for Rapid Spin. Is he? I'm gonna go for the Pain Split here, get some HP back while taking something down. I mean, if it's this Excadrill, that's just fine. I'm gonna go for Will-O-Wisp this turn. Never mind. Wait, he's gonna Toxic. I'm gonna predict the Psychic type move. I got to Tyranitar. Hope this works. I mean, there's no reason he shouldn't go for our Psychic type move. Or, you know, Dark Pulse is fine. Okay, let's see what do I want to go for here. I'm gonna predict his Amoonguss to come out, so I'm gonna go for Fire Blast. Or Lantern is fine. He's Spadef Lantern. Am I faster? I don't know. But I should be able to take a hit regardless, because I am Spadef. Or he can go for Toxic. That's fine. There's no way that was a speed tie. Go out to Registeel. He goes for the Thunder Wave. It's not nice, but that's fine because I could just go for Rest. I eat that up. Nice. Burn a turn to sleep. Eat that up completely. Just kidding. I mean, it didn't do that much. Registeel is pretty specially defensive. I'm gonna go out to Cofagrigus. It's the best option I had at this point. I don't think this Metachamp can do too much against him. Her, I mean. Okay, Joey, that was predictable as fuck. Come on, buddy. I'm gonna go for the Shadow Ball. I mean, I'll take it. Of course he crits me. My especially defensive freaking monster over here. He's max Bedev. He's gonna go for the wish, I believe. There's not much this thing can do to me, so he goes out to Amoongus. Didn't do too much. I mean, I don't know what he wants to do to me. There's not much he can do. He goes out to Medicham. This Medicham is scarfed. So he wouldn't go for... Hold on. I want to see something. Because if he goes for Drain Punch, right? Let's say he goes for Drain Punch again. I don't expect him to go for Drain Punch because I switched into Cophagus last turn. So I want to see if I want to do a calc. Like I said, I'm max defense, right? Max defense, bold nature, or not bold, impish nature. So Registeel. Registeel, oh my gosh, this thing's so annoying. Registeel. Max defense, 252, with a impish nature against a scarfed Medicham. All out attacker, blah blah blah. He's max attack, max speed. Drain Punch. He doesn't have high jump kick, he has Drain Punch. And he doesn't have Fake Out either, so. Drain Punch. Drain Punch will do about a little bit over half. I'm gonna go for Thunder Wave. Aha! Got him! Woo! It worked. I mean, I knew he wasn't gonna go for Drain Punch. It didn't make any sense because I switched out into Cophagus last turn. So I was able to get this thing paralyzed. That is amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys don't know how I feel about that. Alright, so I want my HP back, so I'm gonna go for the rest. There's nothing this Amoongus can do to me. As he goes out to Excadrill, the drill monster. Okay. This is gonna be a long battle. Prepare yourself, guys. He's probably gonna go for Rapid Spin right now. He just keeps going for Earthquake. Why? Pain Split. Need my HP back. Go for Protect. Wait, no, he's gonna go for another Earthquake. Let me go for Will-O-Wisp first. Hopefully it hit. And then this Excadrill is gonna be not that much of a problem. Or this Hoopa. Perfect. I'm gonna go back out to... I'm gonna go out to Cradily. There's not much else I can do with him anyway. As long as it's X, I'm gonna go for protect. Actually, I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna go for protect. Damn it. I tried. I should have probably gone for recover. I'm gonna go out to Wheezing. Aromatherapy. It's not nice. Go for pain split. Go for sludge. Actually, no, I'm gonna go for pain split again. I need to get HP on this Wheezing as soon as possible. Damn it! Fuck me. I should have known. Let Japan Star die. Whoa. I probably should have gone for Flare Blitz right there. Hey, I got the burn though. I might be able to outspeed this thing. Damn it. I'm already at a disadvantage, man. 2 Mons down. I should have definitely gone for Flare Blitz. Bodied. He's definitely Spadef Florges. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. I should not have lost my Darmanitan right there. Okay, Florges is down. It's 1 threat gone. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. I'm sorry, I'm not even talking, guys. I apologize. This fight is just so intense. It's a really hard match. It's really, really tough. Look at that. It's already like 20 minutes and Jesus Christ. Okay, so I do not, like I said, I don't want to lose my this thing. So I'm gonna go out to Cophagus. I am surprised this man never once went for the freaking rapid spin. Ever. I know that was dumb, but wasting a... How many does he have left? He has 7. You get double protect? Hey. Damn it, he knew what I was doing. There's no way I outspeed this thing. I don't get it. How can I be like this physically defensive and still be taking so much damage from a freaking Excadrill? Like, I know Excadrill is powerful, don't get me wrong, but this strong? I don't think so. I already lost, guys, by the way. There's no... You don't have to stay in here and, Wait. Did I not burn the turn to sleep earlier? I could have sworn I did. Oh my gosh. I'm so mad at myself right now. I could have sworn I did. Oh my gosh. Well, it's over. Could have sworn I did, but apparently not. Well, that's the battle, guys. I definitely made a shit ton of mistakes. I don't know, I could have sworn I burned to turn to sleep back then, but apparently not. Oh my gosh, this is... I definitely should have went for Flare Blitz. I should not have gone for U-turn. If I had gone for Flare Blitz, that Moongus would have died. That's what happens. You think too much in the moment, and it just messes you up a lot. So don't make the same mistake I made. Keep your head cool, relax, take it easy, and you'll be fine. But I obviously didn't. I didn't plan ahead as much as I should have. I obviously expected an Entei and a Mamoswine, which is why I didn't. That's why I bought so much of the stuff that I did. But I clearly made a lot of mistakes, and I apologize. It's definitely going to take me down a notch. I don't know how the Adam fight went. I don't know exactly him, but I doubt it's going to help me out in the long run. But I still already have 3 losses after this one. If I remember correctly, I believe I have 3 losses now. Yeah, I have 3 losses, and even if Adam lost, he would still be at a higher deficit than I am. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I'll be able to edit this as fast as possible. I don't know how to make it music for it. But yeah, so see you guys later.